Hey, it's Sahar back with another craft. Let's make a fairy house collage. For this craft you will need some recycled paper, pencil and eraser, scissors, glue, some colored construction paper, and some chalk. So I'm going to start by making waves with my chalk. You want to make a thick layer, and you can use 2 or 3 colors if you want. And then I'm going to use my finger to blend the colors, and you want to follow the direction of the wave. Next, I'm going to use some construction paper to cut trees. You can make the trees that are further away darker and thinner. I'm using a recycled folder to cut a piece for my ground. After gluing everything, you can trim off the excess paper. Now I'm going to start making my mushroom house. I'm starting with the roof. It kind of looks like a hat. Make sure to use colors that are not the same as your background and trees. I'm also going to cut out white blobs to stick on top of the roof. Now I'm going to take some chalk and use it sideways and lightly shade my mushroom house. And then use my finger to smudge everything out. I love the depth that this creates. Now we can glue everything down and get started on our windows. To make the windows, you can fold paper in half and draw and cut out an arch, and that should give you 2 pieces that are the same size. For my other house, I'm going to do circle windows, and I'm going to make some doors. You can cut out small circles for the doorknobs, or you can use a marker. Again, I'm going to fold my paper in half to cut out my leaves. I find that this is the easiest way to make them, but you can do it your own way. I want some of my plants to stand out, so I'm going to be using some purple and pink paper. Don't be afraid to experiment with color. And now I'm going to cut and glue all different kinds of flowers. The more colorful this is, the better it looks. And finally, I'm going to take some chalk and add some pixie dust. Because why not? It's a fairy house. You want it to look magical, right? And there you have it. That is our fairy house collage. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe. You can support me on my Patreon, and I will see you soon.